Meghan Markle has come under fire for being a bulldozer that mowed her way through during castings and shoots. According to Newsweek, Meghan Markle has been accused of being a bulldozing woman. Royal author Tom Bower wrote in his book, "She bulldozed her way through," complained one of the team, and no one stood up to her. He also wrote, that evening, film director John Grammatico emailed ad agency, Tank's creative director. Meghan, Grammatico suggested, was not completely wrong. The agency was focusing the commercial on Reitman's label and the dress. He even went on to say, "She needs to be flattered, and she's right." Celebrities want to be the hero. So much so that the only solution was to put Meghan in charge because she's beautiful and famous and she's in control.